today we're going to learn how to draw some vehicles. What are your favourite modes of transport? We're going to show you how to draw a helicopter. You see how easy it is? Let's do the propeller. Next we're going to show you how to draw a scooter. Do any of you have a scooter? Well, this one's an electric scooter. Imagine buzzing around town on that for your shopping. That would be fun, wouldn't it? Now we're going to draw a truck. Do your parents ever order groceries online? This is what they arrive in. And now, a ship. So easy. Just put some shapes together and Bob's your uncle. Let's start shading round the border of each of these vehicles now. A nice, strong, thick black outline will make those colours stand out fantastically well. Lovely, starting with the helicopter, we're doing blue. We're using felt tip pens, but you could use paint if you like. Even put some glitter on it. Even pencil if you prefer. What's your favourite thing to use? I like felt tip pens too. This turquoise is a lovely colour for a helicopter. It looks like a lovely blue sky. Hey, maybe it will be camouflaged when it's flying. Yellow for the nice shiny windows. Yellow like the sunshine. What next? Some orange. Yay! Orange propellers. And some red. Yeah. And finally, some more blue. Wow, this is looking so cool. And there you have it. Right, let's colour in our scooter. Pretty in pink, I think. What colour is your scooter? Perhaps it has some patterns or design on it, like spaceships or dinosaurs or even unicorns. So doing the main body in this lovely pink colour. Our semicircles. Then a yellow light on the front and one on the back. Colouring in our seat red. Orange. Finally, some blue wheels. Gorgeous. Right, let's do our truck. It's green. Maybe it's an Asda truck from the supermarket. What do you think it's carrying inside it? Maybe it's food, or maybe it's horses. Furniture. Maybe someone's moving house. What do you think's inside it? Let's have some lovely purple wheels. I do love a bit of purple, don't you? Yellow window. Excellent. Last but not least, we'll do our ship. Ahoy, Captain! We'll travel the 7 seas. Lovely in yellow. That will really stand out when it's floating on the deep blue sea. I always think it's amazing how a ship can float on water. Such a big, big, big heavy thing. Can you imagine how clever it is to design something like that? Shading from yellow to orange to red, gorgeous use of colours. And there you have it. Well done, guys. You've done really well.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!